Here we go, folks. This will be just another short continuation of our tour of the Georgetown Car Show. August 6th, 2009. Pretty quiet evening. I haven't lost my tail yet. I can't lose this one. He's too fast to keep up to me. But anyway, check out this nice Lincoln over here. There's always something about these cars that's always gotten me. Yes. Well, it's got to be a 69. That's what the plate says. Yeah, about. So wide. Nice American racing mags on it. Disc brakes too, which is a good thing to have on a big car like this. On TV's later F bodies come out in numbers, which is good. Fiero. And the Buick Wildcat. I nearly had one of these. I nearly was able to buy one of these for $1,000 about 20 odd years ago.
I know what that is.
It was owned by the Honorable Judge Collins of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It had power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, but a radio delete. Why? Because the judge thought the radio would disturb him when he was driving. Nice Roadrunner, interesting color. Always those crazy Chrysler colors. Look at that Wildcat once more.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, just informed that we have $198,000 we're giving away tonight, folks. That's really not that much money. It'd be nice if we could get that up around
$198,000 on it,
or even
so
close to $300,000 would be fantastic. I think we can handle that in the next 20 minutes. So, folks, I'm going to start saying we're doing our first call for the last call for 50-50 up here at the Tune Truck. So you've got
there's the Buick Sport Wagon again.
10 to 15 minutes to come up to the front, ladies and gentlemen, and purchase your 50-50 tickets. It is loud, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. But
yes, it is loud.
Come on up and get your 50-50 tickets, folks. It's last call, first call for last call. And don't miss out on the 50-50. You can win a lot of money. Sounds good.
Fargo, nice. Don't see these around too much. Good old 6-volt technology. General Electric seal beams. The old flathead. Nice truck. Nice RS as well. Very, very subdued tonight, folks. Not doing my usual running around tonight. Right-hand drive. Well, there we have it, folks. Just a little bit of the Georgetown cruise for tonight. Two of us signing off and saying so long.
Oh, see you later.
Take care, guys. Everybody have a great evening. Bye-bye.